Got the Viper.
What's up?
What's up?
You recording?
Yes. Oh man, it's all clean. My car is like filthy right now because the last time I drove it, it was just in the rain and stuff. Do you know what it is?
No. Engine? No, I can't be.
It's not for you, sorry. Man, the packaging is all jacked up on this one.
It is. Pop it down. Forward. Pretty good. It is.
What is it?
Whatever you call it. I don't know what you call it.
It is a crazy car.
It's pretty huge.
So it's an XL. Want to try it out?
Pretty cool. You try it out.
You try it out. You try it out. I will say, I will warn you of one thing. There are no brakes.
Why do you stop then?
You spin.
Dude, so how do you stop? Are you joking?
No, I'm not joking. There's literally no brakes. Oh damn, I just noticed. I really told you.
Oh.
Dented in transition.
That was not me.
Nah, I saw you. See all the rust?
Yeah.
I don't care. A little bit of throttle. There you go. So and then just coast it.
Are you good?
Yeah, I'm holding you.
I'm letting go of the...
Yeah, I got you. Yeah. No, you're fine. All right, let's go out to the driveway. Start to get familiar with it. Doesn't know I have one also.
I got a private.
You got private?
Well, the one-way check valve is bad, and I don't feel like taking penalties on it.
I also like how small it feels. It feels barely bigger than Miata. Does it actually have a bad turning radius?
Yeah.
I wouldn't think it would, right?
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
Why would it? It's rear wheel drive. There's no reason to make it bad.
It just is.
It just is. Yeah.
Thanks.
Dude, the seats are really nice. I actually really dig the seats. My seats suck.
They hug you.
No, like legitimately, my seats are no good. Yeah, dude, visibility. Wow. I love the visibility. I don't know why I have my sunglasses on.
Convertible.
No, I know it's a convertible, but I mean also this is before more safety stuff, but it's like everything's like right here. It needs an exhaust, man.
You said 20, you liar. It's like the second time I scrape it.
It's fine. I go 20, I'll show you.
Suspension's too soft.
It is too. See, that's what I said. It rides great. I told you it's too soft. He's great. Mine's firmer. It's fine.
You scrape up that paint that I left back there. It's original.
Original scrapes.
they're pretty hard.
Yeah, they're like flat. Turkeys.
Does it have a European horn? Does it work?
Guess the horn's busted.
Really?
Yeah, I'm being serious. I've never used the horn.
What?
All right, well, there you go.
Yeah, I think it's hard.
The shifts are pretty aggressive.
Yeah.
It's crazy thing.
I mean, it's no Tesla, but
It's not a Tesla. It definitely doesn't hit like the Tesla's crazy. The Tesla gives you the dizzies. It feels like
Really?
it's breaking itself.
it feels wrong.
It feels so
Very wrong.
What the?
Whoa.
What?
How'd they do that? Leveler.
A level? What?
Yeah, for the headlights.
It's a headlight leveler.
What the fuck is this?
Is that your turn signal?
No, it's
What?
to level it.
What?
Yeah, I'm serious. See? You can see the numbers on there.
What?
Yeah. It says up and down.
That's ridiculous. I never knew that.
Yeah.
I've never seen a headlight leveler.
That's the ugliest, stupidest design thing I've ever seen. That's amazing.